Welcome to Easy English Talks podcast.
Today, I want to teach you one simple habit that can help you speak English fluently. Yes, just one habit. You don't need a teacher, you don't need someone to practice with, and you definitely don't need to pay for expensive classes to speak English well.
Let me tell you my story. I studied English for 10 years. That's a long time, right? I passed all my exams. I knew grammar rules very well. I had a lot of vocabulary. But when I tried to speak English, it was not good. Not good at all. It sounded like this. Yesterday, I went to market. I bought some vegetables, and you see, slow, broken, and full of mistakes. I couldn't make complete sentences. I forgot easy words. I mixed up past, present, and future. Everything in my head was a mess. Maybe you feel the same way. You start to speak, then you stop. You think, you translate from your language to English in your head, and by the time you find the right words, the moment to speak is gone. Or maybe you understand everything when you watch movies or read books in English, but when it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out. Your mouth won't work. Your brain feels empty. That was me for many years.
But then something changed. I found one habit, just one simple thing I did every day. And this habit changed my broken, slow English into fluent English. I'm not talking about perfect English. I'm not saying you need to sound like someone from the US or the UK. I'm talking about fluency. What does fluent mean? It means you can speak easily. Your words come out smooth. You don't stop every few seconds to think. Words come to you naturally. You don't translate in your head. You just speak. You can have a real conversation. You can share your ideas. You can tell stories. You can explain things clearly.
So today, I will share everything with you. I will tell you what this habit is. I will show you how to do it step by step. I will give you real examples so you understand well, and I will explain why it works when other things don't. By the end of this video, you will have a clear and simple plan. A plan you can start today. No more confusion. No more broken English. No more feeling stuck. Just one habit that can change your English forever. Please stay with me until the end. Don't skip any part, because everything I share is important. Let's begin.
So, what is this one habit? It is very simple. It is called self-talk in English. That's it. You talk to yourself in English every single day. I know what you might be thinking. Talk to myself? That sounds strange. How can that make me fluent? Listen carefully. This one habit is more powerful than any English class, more powerful than any app, more powerful than any grammar book. Why? Because this habit gives you something very important, daily speaking practice. And you don't need a teacher, a partner, or money. Just you, your voice, and 15 minutes a day.
Let me explain what self-talk really means. It does not mean saying random words. It does not mean just saying, I am walking, I am sitting. That is boring, and it doesn't help. Real self-talk means having real conversations with yourself. It means thinking out loud in English. It means asking yourself questions and then answering them. It means sharing your opinions, feelings, and ideas. Here is a simple example. The wrong way. I am making tea. That's it. Just one sentence. This will not make you fluent. The right way. Okay, I'm going to make some tea now. Let me see. Where are the tea bags? Oh, here they are. I think I'll have green tea today. Green tea is healthier, right? But honestly, I like black tea more. It has a stronger taste. But I'm trying to be healthy, so green tea is a good choice. Let me boil the water first.
Do you see the difference? In the second example, you are thinking in English. You are making choices. You are asking questions. You are giving reasons. This is a real conversation with yourself. And when you do this every day, something amazing happens. Your brain starts to think in English naturally. Words come to you faster. You stop translating. You just speak. That is fluency. Now, let me tell you why this habit works so well.
Reason 1. You practice speaking every day. Many people only read or listen to English, but speaking is different. It is an output skill. You cannot become fluent without practicing output. Self-talk gives you that practice every day. No excuses. No waiting for someone else. Reason 2. There is no pressure. When you speak with others, you might feel nervous. You worry about making mistakes. But when you talk to yourself, no one is judging you. You can make as many mistakes as you want. This safe space is perfect for learning. Reason 3. You train your brain to think in English. Right now, you probably translate in your head. But with daily self-talk, your brain will stop translating. It will start thinking directly in English. This makes your speaking fast and natural. Reason 4. Words become automatic. When you use English every day, words move from your passive memory to your active memory. They come out without thinking. You don't have to search for them. Reason 5. You can practice anywhere, anytime. While walking, cooking, driving, exercising, cleaning, anywhere. This makes it easy to be consistent. Now, there are 3 levels to this habit. Level 1 is daily narration with details. You talk about what you are doing, but you add more. You say why, how you feel, your opinions, and small details. Example, getting ready in the morning. Okay, time to brush my teeth. I'm using this new toothpaste. I bought it last week. It says it makes teeth whiter, but honestly, I don't see a difference yet. My dentist always tells me to brush for 2 minutes, but I usually brush for only 1. I should really listen to her. Let me try to brush properly today.
Level 1 is daily narration with details. You talk about what you are doing, but you add more. You say why, how you feel, your opinions, and small details. Example, getting ready in the morning. Okay, time to brush my teeth. I'm using this new toothpaste. I bought it last week. It says it makes teeth whiter, but honestly, I don't see a difference yet. My dentist always tells me to brush for 2 minutes, but I usually brush for only 1. I should really listen to her. Let me try to brush properly today.
See? You are not just saying what you do, you are thinking out loud. Do this for everything. Cooking, choosing clothes, going to work, eating. Add details. Do this level for at least 1 week. Level 2 is pretend conversations. You create imaginary conversations and play both people. Example, at a restaurant. Excuse me, can I see the menu? Yes, of course. Here you go. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I'll have water, please. No ice. Water with no ice. Okay, are you ready to order?
I need a few more minutes. What do you recommend? Our grilled fish is very popular. It comes with vegetables and rice. That sounds good. I'll try that. How long will it take? About 15 to 20 minutes. Perfect. Thank you.
Here, you practice both asking and answering. You learn how conversations flow. Create conversations for shopping, asking for directions, job interviews, meeting new people, any situation. Do this level for at least 2 weeks. Level 3 is thinking out loud. Choose any topic and talk about it for 5 to 10 minutes. No preparation, no script. Example topic, social media. So, social media. Everyone uses it now. I use it too. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. But sometimes I wonder if it's really good for us. On one hand, it helps us stay in touch with friends and family. But on the other hand, I think we spend too much time on it. I catch myself scrolling for hours, watching random videos. After that, I feel like I wasted my time. It's kind of addictive, actually. These apps are made to keep you hooked. Every notification gives your brain a little reward. That's why it's hard to stop.
You are organizing your thoughts in English in real time. This is exactly what you need for real conversations. Pick any topic: hobbies, dreams, movies, technology, anything. Your action plan. Step 1. Choose a specific time each day to practice. Stick to it. Step 2. Week 1. Do level 1 for 15 minutes every day. Step 3. Week 2. Move to level 2. Create 3 different conversation scenarios each day. Practice both roles.
Step 4. By week 3, add level 3. Pick a random topic and speak for 5 minutes without stopping. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. Step 5. Record yourself once a week. Listen to it. You will see your progress, and you will notice mistakes you can fix. Step 6. Make it a habit you enjoy. Walk while you talk. Do it while you travel. Make it part of your daily life so it doesn't feel like work.
This one habit, self-talk in English, is the key to fluency. No teacher needed. No partner needed. No classes needed. Just you and 15 to 30 minutes a day. Start today. Right after this video, practice for 5 minutes. Talk about your day. Create a conversation. Think out loud. Just begin and keep going every day.